What's up? So today I wanted to show off this Goodwill find. This is a Bell & Howell Model 431 Super 8 camera, all shot with 500T film. We got the day started off in Kalakekua, just getting our equipment together, figuring out what we're actually gonna do for the day. It's the homie Manuel, he brought his Sony along, so we decided to make our way up north. And at first I could not figure out the focusing on this thing. The viewfinder was horrible, and I finally got that to work, and then I figured out the zoom was broken. So I was stuck at around the 90 mil range, but we got creative, we made it work, and we started shooting out here in Kailua, Kona. And it was nice and sunny, so that 500T wasn't super forgiving, but it worked out, and I hope you guys enjoy.